today I will show you a simple magic trick to boost up your recursive functions in Python. So this is a simple recursive function called fib which accepts n, a single parameter, and it has the capability of calculating or computing the nth element of the Fibonacci series. So let's call it and let's see how much time it takes. So to calculate the 10th Fibonacci term, it will take only 0.1 seconds, and that is not a big deal. Let's make it 20, and for the 20th element it takes 0.1 seconds as well, so not a big deal once again. Let's make it 25 and save this and run this. This time it has increased by 0.1 seconds. Let's make this 30, save this and run this. It will take 0.6 seconds, that is okay. Now for 35 it will take near about 5 seconds, and yep, it took 4.8 seconds. So you can see it is increasing, right? For 40 it will take even more time, and we won't wait for that time. We have a trick here. We can import something called the cache decorator from the functools module. So I'll say from functools import cache. Alright, and since this is a decorator, we'll have to put it over the function. So I'll just say cache and save it, and it solves our problem. It can even calculate the 40th Fibonacci element within 0.1 seconds, right? That is a lot. Let's make it near about, let's say 80. Let's see what happens. Once again the same thing happened. In fact, this time it took even less, 0.0 seconds. Oh my god, for the 80th Fibonacci element. So let's say what it does for 100, right? Let's see what it does. Let's run this one. As you can see, there is a massive improvement. It can calculate this massive number within 0.1 seconds. That is a lot, because it is taking the help of the computer's cache memory for computing the Fibonacci element. Thank you. I hope you liked it.